Hi, you are welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to attach wall to roof. I will also teach you how to create coping. Then I will also teach you how to create the landscape, that is how to create the pavement. Please, if you like the tutorial, kindly hit on the subscribe button and also click the like button. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Sometimes you want to cut the wall to the roof level. So how do you go about it? The simplest trick I use is I have a double roof. You can see this is a roof and this is another roof, so that when I want to attach the wall, I attach it to the lower one so that it doesn't show at the top. So let's get started. You first of all click on the wall and click attach, then click on the roof. It will cut it to that roof level. If I select this wall, I click attach, it has cut it. You can select multiple walls at the same time. And hit attach. Let's create the coping. First of all, let's see whether these two walls are on the same level. Let's go to the elevation. That is the west elevation. Okay. The two walls are of the same level, so we are going to create the coping now. And we are going to go to the roof level. And there are so many ways we can go about it. We can copy this. And the shortcut I use is you hold on Control and you press the middle mouse button and drag it to copy it. Please, if you have not watched my video on how to use shortcut, kindly do that so that you can follow along, because I use shortcut a lot. Now this, you can drag it if you don't want to specify the dimension, but if you want to specify the dimension, you can use reference plane to do that, or you click on edit. So now I can still copy the same thing and do it here. Okay, assuming I want to specify the dimension, then I'm going to click on edit. I will hit edit extrusion, and now I can delete this, and I'm going to use peak line. The thickness is 100 mm and the offset I'm going to use is 75 mm, and the material is already coping, so I am good to go. I hit on this so that the offset will be of the same parameter all around the host. Okay, now let's finish at this level and go to the elevation. Now we can move it up, and in moving it up, if you move it now, you will see it is moving. Okay, but sometimes if it does not move, then you have to either check the constraint or you check on the disjoint. If it's not moving, if it's constrained, then you uncheck the constraint. and check the disjoint so that you can move it freely. This time around it has moved because of what we have used it before, the way we used it before. All right, so that is that. We have to move this one up a little. Let me use the arrow key to move it up so that it will not show at the top. Okay, it is nice. All right, the next thing we will do now is to create the pavements. So I am going to go to level 1. So this is the ceiling level, so I'm going to go to level 1. Okay, this is level 1, so I'm going to use floor to do the pavement. That is the interlock. So I will select floor, and I'm going to select, I can select any of this one and edit, duplicate, then I'm going to name it as pavement. I hit OK. Then the thickness I'm going to use is just 2 mm. Then the material, I'm going to change the material to something that looks like interlock. If I do not see anyone, I can just duplicate any of these and give it a name, pavements. Then I go to render appearance. I click on that little button. Then I'm going to, what are we going to use here? We will use something like masonry brick, and let's use something like this. Okay, all right, it's okay. Okay, then I'm going to draw just a rectangle. I'll finish it. It's in level 1. Okay, so go to the 3D and see what we've got. All right, that is that. So the next thing we will do now is to create the floor. You can see it is appearing inside, so we need to create another one that will serve as the damp-proof coat. So we'll go to the level 1 again. We'll also select floor, and we'll select this one. This time around we will edit it and duplicate it and give it a name. Let's leave at DPC. Okay, then we will edit the material. The thickness is okay. The material, we are going to select a different material. Let's select any of these and duplicate it. Let's give it a name, main floor. Then we'll go to render appearance, and we want to select something like that look like tile. Okay, this is okay. Then we hit apply. Okay, then we are going to select the floor area. I am going to pick line. Then the offset, I will use offset so that it doesn't appear at the edge of the wall. So I'm going to pick this line, and I make sure it snaps towards the inside of the wall. Okay, now I'm going to use trim to make sure the lines are not intersecting each other. Having done that, you click on finish and view it. Now I am going to select and take it to level 2 and click apply. Alright, that is okay. Then the next thing we will do is we need to have a window here. Let's join these two walls. Let's click on join and join these two walls. Now I'm going to select this window and create similar. I just need 2 windows there. Then let's go to the west elevation, and I'm going to align these 2 windows to be on the same horizontal level. Then let's make sure their distance from the wall are equal on both sides. Let this be 450. And let this be 450. Alright, I can remove the dimension. Then let's go to the floor level. Now we are going to create caps. Let's select wall. We use wall to do that, and we can pick any of the wall and hit duplicate, and we are going to give it a name curb. Then we'll edit we'll give it 100. Then the material we use, we can select any of this material, duplicate, and give it a name caps. Then we'll select the render appearance, click on this little button and select something that look like caps, although we are going to modify it in 3ds Max. But for now, let's select something that look like caps at least, or bricks. Okay, I think I will select this, then hit apply, hit OK. We are going to pick lines. We use line. CS for shortcuts. Let's create similar. Then I'm going to use curve lines so that we can fillet this end. And when you are filleting, always use center to center. It is better so that the 2 walls will join together properly. Now we'll use trim to trim them together. Let's look at it in 3D. You can see it is very tall. So I'm going to select all instances in the entire project, and the height, I'm going to give it unconnected height. The height will be 200 mm and click apply. All right, that is that. So we are going to create grass now. We'll go to pavement. We'll go to level 1 and see select wall and hit CS, pick line, and this time around we're going to duplicate it and give it a name. You can give it lawn and click OK. The thickness we want to use is 150 mm, and the material we will use is grass. So let's select this one, duplicate, and give it a name, grass. Then let's select the render appearance. Let's look for plants. Under site work, we have so many things. I think I like this grass, so I'll pick that one and hit apply and click OK twice. Click OK. Then we are going to pick line and make sure we close the line. The line should be a closed loop. Oh no, two lines are intersecting each other there. Let me undo that so that it doesn't give us trouble. Now I'm going to join the lines properly so that they don't intersect each other, and they must be closed. Then let's use trim to join them together. Let's finish it and see it in 3D. Okay, let's select it, and the height should be 150 above. Hit apply. Alright, the color should appear like green, so let's edit it again. Grass. The color should be green, so we're going to check use render appearance as the graphics display. So click OK. Beautiful. This is good. Alright, this is the much we can take in this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, kindly hit on the subscribe button, hit the like button and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. Remember, in this channel we lecture you how to use Revit, and very soon we are going to export this drawing to 3ds Max, and there you will learn how to render your work in 3ds Max. You will learn how to export from Revit to 3ds Max. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.